Ever feel like your deodorant label reads like a chemistry textbook? Today we're taking control of what goes under our arms and making our own natural deodorant. We'll cover what it is, what ingredients to use, tips for switching to a natural deodorant, common mistakes, the best essential oils for odor control, and where you can grab my free cheat sheet and go-to recipe. Plus, I'll show you the easiest way to get started, our DIY deodorant kit. A natural deodorant is simply a deodorant made from safe, plant-derived, or natural ingredients, without toxic synthetic fragrances, aluminum compounds, or questionable ingredients. You may want to make your own if you want full control over every ingredient, have sensitive skin or need something gentler, love the idea of customizing your own scent with essential oils, or you just enjoy the satisfaction of a DIY product that actually works. Here are some of my favorite natural deodorant ingredients and what they do. You can find them all at simplyearth.com. First of all, a common kitchen ingredient, and that is cornstarch or arrowroot powder. This helps absorb moisture without being too drying. Magnesium hydroxide neutralizes odor naturally. A lot of natural deodorants use baking soda as a deodorizing ingredient, but baking soda is irritating. Instead, I recommend using magnesium hydroxide, a gentler alternative to baking soda that's natural. Zinc oxide helps fight odor-causing bacteria naturally, and it soothes the skin. Shea butter creates a soft, smooth glide. You can also use mango butter for a lighter feel. Almond oil adds moisture and smoothness, and beeswax gives structure for a mess-free application. Some essential oils are especially effective at fighting body odor. Here are some of my top picks. Tea tree is one of the best for its antimicrobial properties. Lemon eucalyptus, fresh, clean, and helps combat odor. Biobegon, our Simply Earth blend made for DIY deodorizing products. Lemongrass, bright, odor-fighting, and energizing. Pine, crisp, clean, and adds a grounding note. Lavender, gentle and calming for the skin. Peppermint adds a refreshing, cooling sensation. Remember to dilute essential oils properly in your natural deodorant, especially in areas of sensitive skin like our armpits. Here's a short break with a special note on our friend baking soda. Baking soda is in a lot of natural deodorant recipes because it is great at fighting odor. It can be irritating, especially in the underarm area. Even if you don't react right away, it can cause irritation over time. That's why I prefer gentler alternatives like magnesium hydroxide and zinc oxide. Tips for switching to a natural deodorant. When you switch, remember your body is going to go through an adjustment period. This is normal. Give yourself 1 to 4 weeks to adapt. Stay consistent with using your natural deodorant. Skipping days can slow down this transition. Reapply your deodorant as needed, especially in those first couple weeks. Drink plenty of water. This will help your body naturally detox. You can also make a mask out of clay to help bring out those toxins from your armpits. Store-bought deodorants work by clogging our pores. Natural deodorants work by working with our body. Your body is going to need to go through a natural detox to work through all that buildup of ingredients like aluminum that have been applied to your armpits every day for years. This transition can be a little bit stinky, but it is worth it. In the long run, you will stink less in general on days you forget to wear deodorant. Plus, you'll be making a long-term swap for a natural product that will be better for your body long-term. Here are the top mistakes I see when DIYers make natural deodorant. Number 1, using baking soda. Like I've said, this causes irritation. You might not see it right away. You might be loving your deodorant recipe for 6 months and then all of a sudden have hives covering your armpits. Instead, swap it out for magnesium hydroxide. Mistake number 2, not testing essential oils for skin safety. Some essential oils like clove and cassia are very strong oils that will be very irritating in deodorants. They can only be used in very low amounts. Mistake number 3 is forgetting about seasons or the climate where you live in. Depending on where you live, you may need to make a firmer formula for summer and a softer formula for winter. Or you may need to store your deodorant in the fridge so that it doesn't melt during hotter days. If you want to skip the guesswork and the shopping list, our DIY deodorant kit gives you everything you need in one box. This kit allows you to pick between 2 different scents, and you can customize the formula without the hassle of tracking everything down. Whether you use the kit or shop your own ingredients, my free cheat sheet that I've linked below this video will walk you through the process of making your own natural deodorant and other handmade products that you can use every day. It even includes my favorite deodorant recipe that you can tweak to make your own. Remember, when you make your own products, you get to control exactly what goes in them. And that's something you can smile about. See you next time.